And in this video, hello, my name is Kev from dataSights, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect Google Ads to via your data hub, which is our dataSights app, and push that data to a Microsoft Cloud database so that you can then connect Excel or Power BI or push to Google Sheets or Google Data Studio or Tableau, and get your Google Ads data, all of it out of into a sort of central reporting repository, mix it in with other data, and then build the views that really just highlight the actions and insights that you want to show the rest of your staff or your investors or whoever it may be. So once you have an account, you can, obviously you've created a free trial or you've created an account with us, you've set up your database, which is just a couple of clicks. You can then come and hook up quite a number of connectors. Select the Google Ads connector. I've already connected one here, but I'm going to show you how you can do it. If you were to have, say, 2 or 3 or 4 accounts, you're more than welcome to do that. So here I would say dataSights, Google Ads 2, just giving it a friendly name. On a daily basis, I would like to go back and refresh 180 days. But let's all start off getting data from the 1st of October. Hit save. And now the process is pretty straightforward. You can now click connect. Let me get rid of that. Click connect here, and it's going to redirect you through to Google through their standard OAuth process and back. This isn't going to succeed because we've already connected our app once, but if you haven't connected your app before, it would say connected yes, and off you go. So I'm just going to delete this to keep it tidy. From there, you go onto the syncs page and specify when you want your data to sync. So here at Google Ads, we're doing it on a daily basis pretty much, but you can do it more regularly if you want. After that, your data will then be in your cloud database. So then you can watch these videos, how to connect various things, or if you need to push to Google Sheets, you can use our Google Sheet push service. But most importantly, inside your database, you'll now have a Google Ads campaign performance report table. And as you execute that, you'll see various columns and all your data now accessible by multiple reporting tools. So that's all we're doing. We're not reading any other information. We're just reading your ads information. If there's something here that you need, like the ROAS report or something like that, just get in touch. We're always happy to extend our ads read service. All right. Hope that makes sense. Any questions? Just give us a shout. Thank you. Cheers. Bye.